welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new, you're welcome. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a very simple yet smart home remedy that would, pack your, boobs up. Okay, it's going to help you in tightening it, and you are going to be seeing the results in less than, a month. Okay, but you have to be consistent and you have to give it massage, and you also have to pack it into a bra and hold it really really firm, so that the results would be very visible when you apply this homemade remedy with doing all of this little stuff, and you are going to be achieving your result. So if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching, and thumbs up, subscribe and share the video. And now let me take you right into the video. So to get a firmer chest or firmer balls on your chests, firmer boobs, you're gonna be needing to use the rice. Contains a property that helps to firm up the skin. It tightens up a loose and saggy skin, and it also helps to make your skin look flawless. It also contains a whitening property that helps. So here I have rice. Now I had to go cook the rice and then blend it, and now I have the blended cooked rice. So this is how you're gonna be using this particular ingredient. You have to contains a whole lot of starch, and you're gonna be using the quantity in which you know that it's gonna be okay for you. So for me, I'm actually gonna be using 2 tablespoons of this blended and cooked rice, and you have to blend it very well so that there will be no lumps in it. And then we're going to be making use of egg. Now egg is loaded with numerous benefits that helps to tighten up the skin. Now the whole essence of this is just to tighten up the saggy chest, and this is actually going to help you to firm it all up. Okay, but of course if you're a breastfeeding mom, this is actually not going to work because you're still on the process. Okay, so you have to finish breastfeeding for you to see a whole lot of difference in using this. Okay, so how you're going to do that is that you're going to put in all of the egg white, and I'm going to be breaking this egg this way, and then I'll be pouring in all of the whites. Into this remedy. You have to use all of the whites. So that is done, then you have to give it a stir, okay, so that it's gonna be easy for you to just mix this all up. Yeah, so a little stir would be perfect. And the next ingredient is going to help us to make this ingredient really working. The next one we're going to be needing is starch. You can actually use cornstarch or any starch you can find. It's going to be perfect because we need it to help you to tighten up those balls on your chest, and it's going to get it firmer and tighter. Okay, so that's why we're going to be making use of some starch. So you're going to be putting just a little quantity of the starch, because when you put too much, it's going to make the whole ingredients really solid. And then you stir it and see how great that is. All right. So the last ingredient you're going to be needing for this is going to be flax seeds powder. okay, or you can actually get the black seed and then you blend it yourself. This is how the seeds are, little black, you know. And this is actually very helpful for the skin. It works really well for wrinkles as well as fine lines. It works for age-related problems, and it helps to tighten up the skin. So that's why we need this alongside with all other ingredients that I've put in here to tighten up the skin really well. So you're gonna need just a little quantity of this, just not too much. About 1 teaspoon is perfect, and I'm going to be scooping that in. Now after that is done, then you have to stir it to see how the consistency is. At some point where the consistency is too thick, you'd have to put in a little bit of water to liquidify this, okay? So for this, I'm actually going to be adding up a little bit of water. I'm actually going to be putting in just a little bit of water so that I can actually stir this and get a good paste or a good consistency to apply, okay? Because the more you keep the rice, the cooked rice, the more it becomes really solid, okay? And that's what we don't want. We want it to be very friendly enough to apply. Okay guys, so this you're gonna apply it on your breast, and you're gonna apply it this way. I'm actually gonna be using my hands to illustrate this for you guys right now because I can't actually do that right now. So you're going to apply it generously, and you try to apply it in a circular motion. Now the reason why you should apply it in a circular motion is so that as you pack your chest area up, it's just going to help you to tighten it all up really well, and then it's going to reach everywhere. So that's the essence of applying it all over your chest in a circular motion. So you apply it that way. You also have to apply to the next chest in also a circular motion, okay? And as you apply it, you also have to massage, because the key to a firmer and a tighter chest area is massage, and alongside with this ingredient mixed with black seed. Now you have to buy black seed. You can get black seed online, and that would be perfect, okay? Because in this remedy you need the black seed really well. So for this ingredient guys, you have to use it for at most 1 month. If you're consistent enough, you're going to see a huge lot of improvement. Okay, so after doing this way, then you have to hold and let it dry. Okay, when it dries, you're going to feel the impact of this ingredient, okay? And then it's just going to help you to tighten it really well. And then you have to apply it for at most 1 month, okay? And the result is going to be very visible and very pronounced. So for this ingredient guys, you can actually store it in your refrigerator for 5 more days, okay? After 5 days, then you make a new one, because when you keep it after 5 days, it's going to get too thickened, so you won't be able. So that's it guys, just like I've demonstrated. Sorry I have to use my hands this time, your girl is loaded, like, man, I'm so tired. Like anyways, so this is going to help me when, of course, if you're a breastfeeding mom, it's not going to do anything because you're still on the process of, you're still on the process. So you have to finish breastfeeding for you to be able to know if this is going to work for your own chest. Okay, so that's it guys. If you did enjoy watching the video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay flawless and bye. Mm-hmm.